India's first ASUS ProArt P16 5090 GPU laptop is being sold at our Vishal Computech Begumpet store, and I'm here to unveil its incredible capabilities and features, giving you an exclusive look at what makes this ASUS ProArt 16 a game changer. Hello viewers, Gigi. This laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen AI9 HX 370 processor, which has a base clock speed of 2 GHz and can boost up to 5.1 GHz. It features a 24GB GDDR7 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU for graphics-intensive tasks. The laptop boasts a 16-inch 4K OLED touchscreen display with a 120Hz refresh rate and just 0.2 milliseconds response time. I'll tell you more about it. It comes with 64GB of LPDDR5X onboard RAM for seamless multitasking. The storage is handled by a 2TB M.2 NVMe PCIe Gen 4 SSD for fast loading times. The laptop has a sleek nano black design. I'll show you. Let's unbox this heavenly monster. The ProArt P16 comes with everything you need to get started. You'll find the laptop, power adapter, and other essentials in the box. As I said, the laptop has a sleek nano black design weighing just 1.95 kilograms, making it perfect for creators on the go. It has a backlit keyboard, co-pilot key, and ASUS dial pad for seamless creativity. The laptop also features a fully HD camera with IR function for Windows Hello and Smart Amp technology for enhanced audio. The ASUS ProArt P16 features a stunning 16-inch 4K OLED touchscreen display, the next generation of display innovation with 1600 nits HDR peak brightness. Perfect for creators who demand decent clarity. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 0.2 milliseconds response time, you will enjoy smooth visuals and seamless touch interactions. Also note that this laptop comes with stylus support. The display is also Pantone validated, ensuring accurate colors and crisp details. So along with an anti-reflection coating for clarity and comfort, you can be sure that this screen offers stunning color accuracy, fluid frame-by-frame previews, clear visuals, smooth motion, and comprehensive eye care. Experience visuals like never before on this ASUS Lumina Pro OLED display with touchscreen capabilities. Whether you're editing stuff, creating 3D models, or streaming video, the ProArt P16's display is up to the task. Watch as we put the ProArt P16 through its paces, handling demanding tasks with ease. We'll be editing 4K video, rendering 3D models, and more. Integrated features like Copilot Plus PC capabilities, NVIDIA RTX AI acceleration, and exclusive ASUS AI tools such as StoryCube and NewsTree help you design, render, and create smarter, faster, and more intuitively than ever before. Let me give you some detailed analysis in terms of the graphics card. For video editing, RTX 50 series GPUs offer unmatched speed and stability with 10-bit 4:2:2 color and fast encoding decoding for 4K 8K content. Powerful AI effects processing speeds up tasks like denoising, upscaling, and scene detection, reducing manual workloads. Generous VRAM ensures reliable performance when handling large assets and complex compositions without stuttering or dropped frames. While AV1 Ultra High Quality mode boosts compression efficiency with excellent image quality. These capabilities enable professionals to achieve faster, smoother, and more creative video production from start to finish. So, faster and smoother video editing. Step into the future of content creation with the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX 370 processor. With 12 cores, 24 threads, offering an amazing 50 TOPS of NPU processing power, it delivers AI-enhanced efficiency. With dominant single-core and multi-core performance, importing and rendering demanding 4K footage is a breeze. The Ryzen AI-powered NPU accelerates AI-driven tasks in Adobe Premiere Pro, streamlining processes like speech-to-text transcribing, auto-sequence framing, and scene edit detection. Focus on storytelling, not workflow. And let me tell you, this might seem like a gaming laptop, but it's for creators like VFX artists, architects, 3D designers, and manufacturers who need powerful performance with precision. Phenomenal, right? With its powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, you will enjoy fast rendering times, seamless playback, and more. And the advanced thermal design guarantees sustained peak performance. So now you know why this ASUS ProArt 16 is a game changer for creators who push boundaries. This is a high-end creator laptop designed for both professional studio work and mobile production. Master pro-grade video editing with 4:2:2 colors, multi-track playback, faster AI effects processing, and more VRAM for demanding projects. The ASUS ProArt P16 is priced at 4,19,990 rupees. With its unmatched performance, stunning display, and sleek design, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to take their creativity to the next level. No borders, no limits. ProArt 16 is your on-the-go studio. Similarly, if you too purchase a 5090 laptop from our Vishal Peripherals or Vishal Computech stores, you are gonna get a 30,000 rupees worth mega bundle free. And it's the premium gaming bundle, guys, which includes the gaming monitor, RGB keyboard and mouse, pro gaming headset, and a premium mouse pad. So don't miss this offer. Come on the 5090 GPU laptop and grab this 30,000 rupees worth gaming bundle. So if you want to get your hands on this amazing monster, visit our Vishal Peripherals and Vishal Computech stores or log on to www.vishalperipherals.com. For more such tech updates, stay tuned to our channel. Until then, happy editing. Bye-bye.